yummy. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to cook some tofu stuffed with meat. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 100 grams of ground pork, 600 grams of tofu for frying, 1 tomato, some green onions, 5 grams of dry fungus soaked in hot water, a little bit of minced shallot and garlic. Of course, we also need pepper, salt, chicken powder, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Begin by cutting the fungus and add it to the meat. Then add a little bit of minced shallot and garlic. Also, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, just a little bit of pepper. Mix it well and set it aside. Then cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. Use a spoon and take out the inside part of the tofu to make the holes. Add the tofu left over to the meat and mix it well. Insert the meat in the tofu. In a hot pan with oil, add the tofu and fry it. While waiting, smash the onion roots and cut it into small pieces. Chop the onion leaves. Also, cut the tomato in small pieces. When the tofu becomes golden brown on both sides, take it out and drain the oil. In a hot pan, add a little bit of minced shallot, garlic, and the onion roots. Fry them a little bit. Then add the tomato. Stir it well. Add a little bit of water to make the sauce. Then lower the heat and add half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Also, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Finally, add the tofu. Mix it a little bit. Finally, add a little bit of green onions and it's ready to serve. Voila! Beautiful color. Bon appétit!